Hi guys, good evening. So ngayon ay gawa tayo ng floater. So itong floater na to ay galing sa recycled material sa laruan ng bata guys. Yung parang espada siya na galing sa Yakuyen shop. So since na ito ay malaki yung butas niya, so kailangan natin ng fillers para dito. So bago yan, ikakat muna natin to. At saka ito yung itim na kulay. So lagay natin siya para magkaroon ng design. So pwede din solid siya na ganito para hindi kayo mahirapan. Pero mas maganda pag may ibang kulay. So mag-cut kayo ng the same diameter na foam din na ganito. So nagmukha siyang ganito guys. So ito black, ito ay pink. So yung finished product niya maging ganito na siya. So start tayo guys. So puputulin ko ito para mas madali nating ilagay ang itim. So, cut straight as possible guys. Okay. So, nakat na natin siya guys. So, ngayon ay maglagay tayo ng fillers niya para dito sa butas para maganda yung dikit niya. Makuha natin yung sentro tapos bubutasan natin dito. So, ganyan siya guys. Bubutasan natin na center siya. So, para hindi tayo mahirapan mamaya, ganyan siya. So, bago natin lagay dito, sa loob siya, ganyan. Lagay natin. Tapos, yung band na gamit ko ay ito. Yung G Clear. G Korea. So, Japanese siya, parang synthetic rubber siya na, band. So, maganda siya para sa mga synthetic na rubber. At saka foam. So, ganyan siya guys. Ito yung gamit ko guys. So, ganyan siya. So, lagyan nyo siya ng dito. So, ang method na ginagamit ko ay lagyan ko siya dito sa loob. Sample to guys Sample. Lagay ko siya dito. Small amount only guys. Just like that. And then you put like that inside guys. And then lagay nyo to. Then let it dry for how many hours. So don't dry it under the sun because it will create a bubbles. So, mag-bubble siya. So air dry lang in the normal temperature. So about 2 hours it will dry. So and then repeat the procedure guys. Just repeat the procedure. Doing that and all this stuff here like that. So we cut some so that you can see guys now. Okay, we cut some. Ikaw. hole, the center. Repeat the pattern of doing it. Same procedure. Putting a small amount inside. And then do like that. Put this one in the center. Just like that. Okay. And here, the procedure of doing this, guys, is like this one. Spread it evenly. Press. Okay. So repeat the pattern, the procedure, guys, until you can create a pattern like this or what you like before you carve this one. Before you carve this one. Okay, yes, stick it together like that, and that one. But don't forget to put a pillars here, and then put a guide center hole inside the smaller one, so that you can penetrate easily when it dry. Okay, guys, that's how I do it, from big hole and to the small one, so that you can create a solid like this one. Okay, this is a cheaper foam. You can find it in the Seria or Yakuyen shop in Japan for only $100. $100 dyan ay 100 yen. So compared to this one is a lot expensive, guys. It's like $600 for 50 cm, and this one is 50 cm for 100 only. You can buy 6 like this with this one. So that is how I do it, guys, to create like this. Okay. just insert the light in the slots and then put super glue so that it will hold tight and firmly. Just make a custom light from this folder. Cut this one. This one. Next, customize the light. So I'm using G Clear. This is rubber glue, rubber synthetic glue. So this is a flexible band, so you can use this one also in the leathers and what we use on some plastics. So I'll use this one.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause I don't give
mentally.
a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta
Cause I
struggle
don't
through
give
the
a fuck
sewer.
what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So from recycle, basura lang yan galing guys. So, ginawa nating palutang. Yo yo yo, testing bukas. Yo yo yo, grabe ka buinas nga ano, palutaw. Duha guys oh. Pandawan o ko ano. Asa ka na, pirit pandawan sa bike kubit. Yo yo yo. The best. The best.